Today we're going to be taking you guys through a realistic day in the life of a reseller making over $30,000 every single month. We got some packages here that we're going to be unboxing. We got a bunch of orders we're going to be shipping out, so make sure you guys stay tuned. And just to show you guys real quick on this day, today we are up $464. And then if we go over to yesterday as well, we were up over $1,075 on the day. So pretty good last few days. So right now we're just getting some videos made and some content edited. As you can see, my brother's back there making some videos. And if you guys haven't started documenting your reselling journey and making content around that, I would highly recommend you start doing that. It's really easy to pick up a phone, make some videos, and upload them to different apps like TikTok and Instagram and YouTube. This can help you bring in a lot of bulk buyers, a lot of returning customers, and help you make more money. And just to show you guys how crazy this can actually be, I'm going to pop up a screenshot right here of a $750 bulk sale we got from the other day from one returning client. And that really just goes to show you the power of social media. That was only from one bulk buyer, and it only took around 5 to 10 minutes. Now imagine you had like 5, 10, even like 20 bulk buyers. That's a lot of money you can be making consistently just from bulk returning customers. All right, so we got our content made for today. We got done editing all of our videos and everything. So we're going to go ahead and unbox both of our packages right here. So I guess we'll go ahead and start with the smaller one right here. And in these packages, I believe, are earrings and then maybe some necklaces as well. I'll have to open them up and see exactly which ones are in which. And if you guys also want to get started with a free Moissanite vendor, there's a bunch of variety on the site. There's Moissanite earrings, rings, necklaces, chains, bracelets. There's a bunch of good stuff, a bunch of good reviews, really good prices. I'll make sure to leave it linked down below. First link in the description for a free vendor for any of you guys to get started with. Go ahead and open this one right here. And these are going to be our halo earrings right here. Go ahead and get that plastic out of the way. I'll go ahead and open and show you guys the bag real quick. So I believe these are 0.5 and 1 carat. Yeah, 0.5 and 1 carat. And I think we got like 30 each or maybe 50 each. I'd have to count it and go through again. So these are the 1 carats, really good. Halo earrings are a really good seller. So I highly recommend getting those as well. And then we'll open this one in here, which should be, I believe, our stud earrings and maybe some necklaces as well. I think we got some cross necklaces to go with these. So go ahead and see. Yeah, these are our stud earrings right here. We got a bunch in here. Oh my goodness. These are our 1 carats right here. I think we got 100 of these each. So I'll go ahead and lay these out. These, I believe, are our 0.5 carats. Yep. 0.5 carat earrings. And then in here, right here at the bottom, is our cross necklaces. So these come with the necklace as well as the chain. And then obviously all of the GRAs come with these as well. So pretty good haul right here. We're going to go ahead and get everything organized out in our setup and get everything laid out. All right, so we went ahead and got everything laid out, all of our products nice and neat. We got the shelf right here organized. So we got a bunch of products. We got chains up top, or necklaces, my bad, and then chains and necklaces and earrings and rings on this shelf right here for video purposes. And then right here, we got all of the products laid out. It doesn't look like a ton, but this right here is like over 300 products. So it's a lot of products just individually packed in these bags, like really tightly. So everything's nice and neat, so it looks good for the videos as well. All right, guys, it's around 3 o'clock right now. We're at $795 in sales, so basically almost $800 at 3 o'clock, which is really good for today. And then we're going to go ahead and get these orders all packaged up and shipped out. We got to get all the labels printed over there. And then we got everything laid out right there that we're going to be shipping out. So we just got to get it all laid out and then packaged up and shipped out. All right, so we have 8 total orders we went ahead and packed up for today. And now we're just going to go ahead and get these dropped off at the post office. All right, guys, it's been around an hour and a half since I last dropped off those packages at the post office, and now we're going to be going ahead and head out to a meetup for a pair of princess cut earrings I got right here. This is actually my last pair, or my second to last pair, but the last pair I'm going to actually be selling before I get any more, because I'm going to keep 1 pair for videos, obviously, so I can make content around it. So I'm just going to put it in this box right here, because this is the box I took my listing photos in. So I have a bunch of those boxes laying around. I got them from Amazon. These actually are really good boxes. I got them for only like 80 cents a piece, and they're a lot better than like the boxes that the vendor sends them in. These are like fully velvet. They're a lot like cleaner, a lot better looking. So I recommend getting some of these off Amazon. Again, you can get it for like less than $1 each. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that, and then we're gonna head out to the store as well. I gotta get some more materials for like packaging and stuff like that. I gotta grab a few things from there. So we're gonna go ahead and do that meetup and then head out to the store. All right, y'all, we made it to the store. The person's actually gonna be a little bit late to the meetup. We texted them, and they're gonna be a little bit later than we thought. So we're gonna head into the store right now. We're gonna get our packaging materials and everything that we need from there, and then we'll go ahead and head out to that meetup. All right, guys, we got all the supplies that we need, so now we're just gonna head out to that meetup. All right, guys, so we're waiting for the person to pull up for the the meetup. But I just want to quickly show you everything that comes when you order some moissanite earrings, rings, whatever it may be. So obviously you're going to get the product themselves. Obviously we got the princess cut earrings right here. It'll come with a box, not this one specifically like I was showing you guys earlier. You'll get a more like cardboard one. This one's the fully velvet one that you can buy, which is a lot nicer. And then you'll also get the GRA certificate right here. And this is just like kind of the cover that it comes in, or like the folder it comes in. And then inside is what actually matters, is the card itself and the little certificate. So you have the GRA card, and then you have the certificate itself, which shows you this is excellent cut, polish, and symmetry. It's excellent quality VVS1 moissanite. It kind of breaks down everything. So this is what really matters, but I just want to quickly show you guys exactly, what you get and what everything comes with. So we got the cash, so let's head back to the car. All right, guys, we got the money right here from the meetup. We're going to go ahead and count it up real quick. We got 100, 20, 40, 45, and 50. So 150 total for like an hour's worth of work. Not bad at all. And now we're just going to head back home. We made it back from the meetup. It's been around 10 minutes since we got back home, and I just want to give you guys a quick update for the sales today. We are at $899.97 on this store alone right here, so not bad at all. $900 around 6 o'clock is not bad. So it's around 9 o'clock right now. I'm just chilling right now. I got some work I got to do on the computer right here, going over some ads, going over some different emails that I got to respond to, some customers I got to respond to, and just filling in some numbers overall. So just getting some work done right now. And then in a little bit here, we'll probably be going over the numbers for the day, just seeing, how much we made and all that stuff, and give you guys a quick breakdown on that as well, and just kind of complete our day in the life. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit. All right, so it's around 12 o'clock right now. It is the end of the day for today. So now we're going to go ahead and go over all of our numbers that we made from our different stores, as well as our different meetups and whatnot. And then we'll add it all together and see what we made totally on the day. And as you guys can see right here, we ended the day on 1,052 in sales total. So not bad at all. I think yesterday was around like 1075. So pretty much the same as yesterday, 1052 today. So really not bad at all. And then we also made around 287. I'll pop up right here from PayPal as well. And then we also had the meetup in person that we did for $150 for the princess cut earrings. And if we go ahead and add our totals up on the day, we have the 1052 from our first store. We had the 287 from PayPal. And then we had the 150 from the meetup that we did earlier. Leaves us with a day total of $1,489. And that's pretty much going to do it for the end of our day in the life video. $1,489 is a pretty good day for us, and obviously if you're doing that for 30 days straight, is well over $30,000 every single month just from reselling alone. And if you guys want to get started reselling just like me, I'll make sure to leave a first link down below in the description for a free vendor for any of you who wish to get started as well as all my other vendors. And if you guys have any other videos you want to see, just make sure to leave a comment down below, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.